everyone. Today I'm doing the second half of the Lovestruck palette. Today is my 31st wedding anniversary, and me and my husband, we always say that it doesn't feel like 31 years have passed. Anyway, I used the Benefit RSVP for my lid, and I'm gonna go in with the neutral right there. So yeah, since it's my anniversary, I just decided that I'm just gonna do my makeup on camera today. I'm not sure when it will be uploaded because I have to leave by 4 o'clock to go to the post office before they close. And oh my goodness, all that fallout. And then when my husband comes home from work, we'll go out. So I'm using that orange color. You know, it's like a neutrally warm color. And I'm going to use that on the crease. And the reason I'm going with the neutral color on the lid is I'm going to use my Milani blues, the Lalapablooza, I think. So I'm leaving the color, the more, the color in the crease, and then just cover the lid with the blue. And then I'm gonna go with that very light color right there, that cream color. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it. Okay, yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit, I still have some RSVP on my brush, but I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. This is really pretty. I'm gonna just put this on the lid. Since it's a liquid, I wanted to put it over the powder in hopes that that would be enough for it not to crease. It's actually pretty. So I'm gonna just use black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. This is, except for the blue, because blue makes you look bruised on the on the cheeks. I really like that blue on the lid and the shimmer, the shimmery blue. So this is the finished look, and next week I'll start with the Fantasy Makers Neon. I'll start that next week.